Welcome to the Weather Centre on Tuesday, where the day starts off with some fog along the west coast as well as over the eastern interior, and we're expecting some drizzle along parts of the eastern Cape Coast. Fine and warm weather is expected over the western part of South Africa, with berg winds along the west coast, partly cloudy as we head towards the eastern Cape and Gauteng, and we'll see a few thundershowers swarming over parts of KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see the possibility of morning drizzle along the eastern Cape Coast, with a 40% chance of thundershowers and showers over the extreme eastern part of South Africa, but we're expecting dry weather over the western parts. Uppington tops 28 degrees on Tuesday afternoon, 32 for Vredendal. Cape Town expecting a warm day at 27 degrees. Quite cool though as we head towards the eastern Cape with highs in the low 20s. 20 degrees for Pietermaritzburg, in the mid-20s along the KZN coast, and we're expecting a warm day for Gauteng, Bombela and Polokwane, all with maximum temperatures peaking in the mid-20s. Along the west coast, we can expect some morning fog for Alexander Bay, but with a good beach day once the fog clears. Good beach conditions are expected from Namaqualand through to Longabon, with a southeasterly wind for Lambert's Bay and more of a light west-southwesterly wind for Longabon, with moderate wind speeds for Namaqualand and a very small swell along the west coast of only 1 metre. In the southwest, a light southwesterly wind is forecast to the Cape Town Atlantic side, with a southerly wind for False Bay and a moderate easterly wind for Cape Agulhas. In the southwest, we're expecting a 1.5 metre swell with a wave period of 11 seconds. Along the south coast, good beach conditions are expected on Tuesday, with a moderate easterly wind for Mossel Bay, Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, more of a southeaster as we head towards Plettenberg Bay, and along the south coast we're also expecting a 1.5 metre swell with a wave period of 12 seconds. Along the east coast, moderate beach conditions are expected due to the possibility of thundershowers, but mainly in the afternoon. A light southerly wind is forecast for East London, with a moderate southerly wind for Durban, and then more of a southwester as we head towards Richards Bay. Along the east coast, we're forecasting a 1.5 metre swell with a wave period of 9 seconds. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Tuesday.